got another one. We're gonna unbox this out in nature. Not really, we're just at the Bat Cave. Let's pop this open. This is the G-Shock GA21 Neon Accent Watch Red. Now in the listing, it looks pretty orange to me. I'm gonna be pretty upset if it's red like this, because it looked really orange. Kind of like our former president. Let's see. I feel like a lot of people miss him right now. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about your $7 gallon of gas. And I'm just kidding. It's about this G-Shock that I just destroyed the box packaging of. Let's see. Smell test. Smells like metal. Aluminum or something, tin. 20 bar G-Shock since 1983. Pretty cool. I mean, they all look the same. This one looks a little bit different. I'm gonna have to go back to my previous videos to see what the deal is. MGSA5 23 TT. All right, you guys ready? Should we do it? This one's on tight. Wow, this is hard to do with one hand. Should we go into cinematic mode? All right, we are cinematic. You thought you were gonna see it, didn't you? You are not. We're gonna go out of cinematic mode. I've been filming some of my videos, and don't mind my dirty fingernails and my super dirty hands. I was doing some work. Module number 550-5611. We're not gonna do anything with that. Obviously, your international warranty card. How could you forget that? It's great. Who's ready? Who's ready? Here we are. Oh, it is not red. Thank the Lord. Again, do not mind my fingernails. Look at that. I want to show you. I can't tell if that's a fox or a bird in the background. Whatever it is, I'm not doing it to it, so don't at me. Let's see if we can get this off. First, let's look at the tag. G-Shock tag, typical. Very typical. Battery life C manual, $99. I got this on Amazon again. I keep getting the deals, the steals on Amazon, but I digress, I gotta say, and I'm not flexing anything in this video like I was in the other one. That was just for fun, by the way, guys. I'm just having fun with this. Okay, so bear with me here. But we've got, but back to what I was saying is these are the most expensive watches I own, considering the APs, the Pateks, all that stuff. All of those, dude, let's be real. Let's be real. Those watches, you sell them, you make profit. These, you ain't selling for profit. Not many times soon. God, this looks so good just through there. So just something to keep in mind. These watches, these are my for fun watches. These are my watches that I just genuinely like how they look. I like the shape. I like the CASIOAK, the Royal Oak type deal, the APG-Shock. Just gonna get this off now. Metal band, metal clasp right there. Not metal band, polymer, rubber band. Carbon core guard. This is the typical stuff you're gonna see on these. Solid. Very into that because, well, ooh. Let's just get into it. Oh my God. This might be, I definitely like this more than the, what was it that, oh my God, it looks good. This might be the new daily driver. I just want to take it into some detail for you guys real quick and let you know that I don't make these G-Shock videos just because. I don't just buy these to sell them or anything. These are genuinely the watches that I use all the time. This isn't sponsored. They don't send me these for free. I literally pay $100 for them. How do I afford a $99 watch? We will never know. We will never know. I don't know. This wasn't even 99. I think this was 40. I machined this because I didn't like the finish. It was like way too shiny. And I think it just, with that contrast, it looks a lot cleaner. It just looks different. Looks a lot better, sharper. Actually has, you know, more sharper angles like this does. Gives it a bit of an octagon look. What do you want, bro? What do you want? But I digress. I just wanted to point that out and let you know that I buy these and I wear these a lot. I wear these more often than I wear the APs. I wear these more often than I wear the Pateks and anything. I'd have zero Rolexes anymore. Honestly, the Rolexes, definitely more reliable than the APs. Less tweaks, less issues, less faults that you need to fix or solve or whatever. But I just have to say that the AP catches my eye, and I need to own them, and I need to have them, and I need to sell them and buy them and flip them and whatever. I absolutely do that, but just a little update on this. I've had it for like 2 weeks, and yeah, I mean, it runs exactly how you would think. I don't need to get into that too much. Subscribe if you like this video, and if you like dogs. Otherwise, keep watching. I can't wait to get a shower. My hands are so dirty. I shouldn't even be touching this. You know, again, this is a beater watch. I beat on these. I wear them. I enjoy them. And I never really sell them unless a friend or something offers me something. I'm like, dude, just give me what I paid. But if you can't find it for what I paid, like if you can't find it for its MSRP, then just give me what I paid. You can have it. You know, if it's something I don't wear anymore. But, you know, typical fit and feel that you get, it's going to be the same size as the other ones. I'm not going to get into that. I'm really just showing you. I'm just twirling it around so you can see what it looks like. I'm trying to give you clear quality photo, video, 30 pictures a second. It looks good. You know what I mean? Typical G-Shock feel. It does feel nice though. Dare I say, I can feel more comfortable wearing this than like my ceramic AP that's $170,000 watch. Whereas this, $100, who gives a fuck? Centi millionaires, Deca millionaire, whatever you want to call it, that ride around. You know, I go to the events with them, I go to parties with them, I'm out with them, we go on rallies, whatever, supercars, all that stuff. Just throwing it out there, not to brag, but to point out to you this one thing, that they wear replica watches, replicas of your favorite watch, your Patek, your Richard Mille, your AP, even your fake Rolexes, which those are the easiest fakes to spot. I'm not knocking it. They do that for one reason, and this is a rich man's decision versus a poor man's decision. I'm not knocking it. I respect it, but I'll tell you why I don't do it and why I don't like it. But they do it because it's their trophy. That's the watch that takes the abuse and they beat on. They don't have to be careful. Oh, my watch. Oh, they don't give a fuck about that at all. They don't care. They don't care. The reason why I don't do that is because I like to just get in the moment. I don't want to wear a replica, dare I say, a fake watch. If I don't want to wear my AP, if I don't want to wear the ceramic almost $200,000 watch at this point, not quite. It's worth more than the plaid though. I'm gonna wear something I don't give a fuck about. If I fuck it up, I can replace it. I can do whatever I want. Why? Because I don't give a fuck what you think about me because of what I'm wearing or what I'm driving. I'm doing it for me. Keep that in mind. I want you to just stay true to yourself and do that. Wear what you enjoy, what you like, for that reason, because it makes you feel good. If making others think you're some big prestigious dude or woman makes you feel good, let's be honest, a lot less women are going to be wearing these.
then you got to switch some shit up. If that is what makes you feel good, don't get what I'm saying twisted. You can wear a $100 fucking watch and still be the biggest fucking baller in the room. You can wear a $100 watch and have the biggest dick in the room. You could be the richest dude in the room because you're wearing a $5 t-shirt, this actually was free, and a fucking $60, $40 beat up machine ground, looks like I'm a fucking construction worker watch, because you don't give a fuck. It's gonna attract women to you. It's gonna attract good fucking decisions, behavioral aspects and habits to you. And it's gonna attract, most importantly, money to you, because you're not gonna give a fuck about blowing money on the wrong shit. These are reminders of that. These are a reminder. These cheap watches, the expensive watches, they're all reminders of different aspects of life that you just need to abide by. I'm just trying to help you out, because if you're watching this, maybe you're someone that thinks, oh, I can't afford a $5,000 watch. Maybe, I'm not saying you are, maybe you are. It's a beater. Only reason why I'm bringing that up. I understand it sounds kind of cringy when someone's saying, oh, I drive supercars, I go on rallies, I go to events, $20,000 dinner. Yeah, that stuff feels great to do because it reminds you of times when you couldn't afford to do that, and now it doesn't fucking matter. You just don't care. You got your $10,000 pets. It's a reminder. I got these dogs because my girl wanted them, but not to flex, but I'm flexing on the pores. Flexing on all the pores. No. That's all.
Just something to point out. Not everyone's rocking the real thing, especially if they're celebrities or someone you know. I have in my circle, there's a couple people that are of the celebrity stature, and yeah, they're rocking replicas of almost everything. Their shoes, their bags, everything. They do have the real thing, some of them. More often just the rich dudes versus the celebrities. Some of them have the real thing, and it's, you know, a trophy, whereas the replica is their beater and their symbol of that trophy, if that makes sense. So just keep that in mind, that when people are out and about ripping around this nice stuff and you wonder, why are they wearing, oh my God, like, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I'm not really into the whole replica thing. That's why I just get these. You know, I'm just kind of, I like to wear what I wear when I wear it. The reason why I was pointing that out, it's not me flexing at all. If that's what you want to do, fine. Just be honest. Like, they're honest. The only thing is, people never really give them a chance. Like, nobody goes, oh my God, is that real? They're just like, oh my God, you're a millionaire. I'm assuming that's real. Oh my God, that's a $100 and whatever $1,000 watch. That's a $500,000 Bugatti watch. Whatever. Yeah. So it's what it is. But just wanted to point that out. This thing is clean, man. Definitely #1 G-Shock. I like it more than the all black one. I like it more than the other one. It's just black with this neon, this flow orange. It's nice. And, you know, we're pulling the wrap off the Plaid soon. I have a Model S Plaid, a 2022 Model S Plaid. Refresh Model S Plaid. I felt rude by not unboxing it. I'll just pull this off before. Actually, we can throw it on the wrist. Yeah, why not? Why not throw it on the wrist? Let's see. It might be blurry. The screen might be out of focus, but just give me a second and we'll get that. I'm just gonna pull this off. But yeah, if you guys are out there wearing fake watches, whatever, dude, good for you. If you're not, good for you. All right. Ready? Here we go. On the wrist. I wear them on my right hand because it just feels better there. I'm not homosexual, and even if I was, who cares? That's fine too. I have homosexual friends. They don't even wear watches on the right wrist. So that whole thing is just fake. But get a little thumbnail for the YouTubes. Get this stuff all cute and put together. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know what you want me to review and just comment down below. Till then, yeah, that's that. But yeah, we got our little It really does look good. For a $100 watch, like, dude, that's my favorite one so far. You know what I mean? I mean, you got some taste if you're wearing this. You're savage if you're wearing this, you know what I mean? Nobody is as willfully minded as someone that wears one of these. I'll drop the link down below if you want it. I got it in a day. Ordered this yesterday, got it in a day. So yeah, I don't get commission on this stuff. I mean, I have an Amazon affiliate account, but I may or may not even bother dropping it on there. I mean, it's crumbs when you guys buy these. You guys buy a million of these, and I'm still not making a ton of money off of the watches. It's tech stuff. But yeah, I mean, if you want to click on any of my recent videos, I have some affiliate links in there, and whatever. But I'll list a link down below regardless, whether it's an affiliate link or not. It doesn't make the watch any more expensive for you. It's just, yeah. Wow, it's clean, man. Clean. I just love seeing the reflection of the trees. I'm pretty sure that's my face. It's my phone. My face is right over here or something. Oh, it's so cool. I don't know why. I really like this one a lot. I admire it. There's bugs everywhere out here. So we're gonna end this video here. It's been 10 minutes. Thanks for tagging along. If you want more stuff like this, again, drop it in the comments. Why haven't you done it yet? Down below. Have a nice day.